Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video where we'll be looking at the Document Viewer tool within MapThat. The Document Viewer tool is available from the Map Tools menu. Once opened, use the list box to choose which visible layer you wish to interrogate. In this example, we'll view the planning application documents. Choose the Document Viewer button to activate the tool, and then click in the map on one of the planning application features. The Document Viewer window then opens and shows the first image or document attached to that map feature. In this example, it's an image of the planned site with a file name shown at the top in grey. Use the Next and Previous buttons to see if any other images or documents have been attached to the map feature. Once you've found the document you're interested in, use the Download button and the image or document will be downloaded to your computer. In this example, it's an image file, so it auto-opens into a new window which we could then print or email to a colleague. Notice in the map there are two features at the same location. This time, if we use the Document Viewer tool and click at that location, MapThat will provide a list of the features, which you can then choose which map feature you wish to view the documents for. This time we've chosen the red planning application on the right, and the Document Viewer now shows all the images and documents associated to this feature. If we use the Next button, we can see the third file is a PDF document with its document name shown at the top in grey. If we download this document, the PDF is copied to our computer for us to open and read.